So now that the 2026 World Cup train officially God left Jamaica with the personal Jamaican entanglement now out of the way, we have no choice but to go back to the old World Cup routine when we used to jump and shout and brag and boast about Brazil and Germany and Argentina. Well, those days are back. And guess what? For this version of the greatest show on earth, it's like we're jumping out a frying pan and a jump in a fire. We have moved from supporting the reggae boys to qualify to now supporting Brazil to win the World Cup. The Maverick has swapped brown dog for monkey. So instead of watching the World Cup and cheering for Leon Bailey and Ronaldo Cephas and Whisper, we have to now resort to cheering for Martinelli and Gabriel and Richarlison and Vinicius Jr. saying no to